Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric and today we are going for a POV test drive in this 2022 Honda Passport Trailsport. That's the new off-roady version of the Honda Passport, and of course it's newly refreshed, so we're going to take a look today at how well it drives here in the city, a bit more stop and go driving and commuting situations. But of course, as always, if you want to hear all my thoughts on this 2022 refreshed Honda Passport, click in the top right hand corner for all my thoughts in my full review where we talk about the interior, the exterior. Of course, we're going to drive it plenty and we're going to compare it to the competition, because in these POV test drives I usually don't give you too much of an opinion. It's more for you to see and hear how it is to drive the Passport out of the first person. And with that being said, why don't we get right to the good stuff. Of course, the interior here, I like the Trailsport logo on the headrest. Looks really nice, and then we have, well, the usual Honda interior. This is still the oldest style Honda system, so it's not the new one we know as a Civic, and that's also in the CR-V and upcoming Accord, but still usually pretty nice. So, push button, put drive, quick look around just so you can see it, and off we go. And I will just occasionally chime in. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Okay. We always do a little bit of an acceleration run, so let's put into sport, which just makes the transmission shift a little more aggressive than 9-speed. And then we'll see. Okay. And let's go. As you heard and saw, decent amount of power from the 3.5 liter V6 that we have in this Honda Passport. But of course it's a V6, so it does get a little bit noisy when we send it. Well, that's expected. Of different off-road modes, which you can't control with this button, but of course we're not off-roading, so let's keep it in the normal drive mode for the pavement. And the infotainment, we know it, and we generally, I think it works really well, the Honda infotainment. So we can, up here, these buttons, we can customize them. So if we want to have, instead of Bluetooth audio, let's say we want to have the trip computer, we can just slide it up there. And now, every time we want it, we just have it right up there. Sirius XM, if you want to listen to radio, we can just do that, of course. And then we have all of our favorites, which you can cycle through even with our steering wheel controls. So this all works really, really well. It is a fast infotainment, not of course the most feature-rich, but that's fine. These are touch buttons, so these are not actual physical buttons. But honestly, especially with the ability to set up favorites up top, I think this is a good system. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wired, not wireless. It was a bigger drop than anticipated. quite busy today. And a lot of red lights. Definitely not the fastest we've been through this route. Route, whatever. You know what I mean. Okay, that shall conclude the POV test drive. Put it in the park. Okay, turn it off. And that's a POV test drive in the 2022 Honda Passport Trailsport. Like I said, follow my thoughts, click on your screen right now for my full review. And if you like the video, hey, why not consider subscribing, because we upload reviews and POV test drive every single week about all sorts of cars. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.